I've been using iPhones for over half a decade, but it's finally time to make a switch, at least for one of them. And I'm going to be switching to this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So in this video, I want to do a quick unboxing, go over the full setup. So the Flip 7 comes in this sleek, attractive looking box, and we have Galaxy Z Flip right on top. And this is a fairly thin box. On the sides, we have these two flaps, which can just be pulled right out, or whatever you call these. And the box should just slide right out, and there it is. Look at that, the phone right there, and I did opt for that blue color. I checked out the black, I checked out like that coral red, and I wasn't too big a fan of it, so I went for this blue one. Now let me just put this to the side, and let's go to the top box, because it looks like there's something in here. Oh, okay, well, this is empty. And inside here, hopefully I'll find a cable or something. So we got the SIM ejector tool right here, which is important because I'm going to need one of these. I already lost my other one from my iPhone. And we have a quick start guide with terms and conditions, some other paperwork, and the USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, I'm probably not going to use this since I have a bunch of these lying around, so we'll toss this to the side. And now time for the phone itself. This is pretty sleek looking. And by the way, the amount of space this takes up in comparison to the box is pretty efficient. So they got like a little pull tab right here. And yeah, that's it for that. No more box. And there's the phone itself. Now, before I get all my fingerprints on it, I do want to put a screen protector on since I did get one of those, but let's go for that flip. Oh yeah, look at that. And you got the Samsung logo right over here. Now, I don't know if that's a good idea, flipping it with this, but it's fine. All right, fine, I'll just take this off. And now time for the screen protector, and this is gonna be the Poryadaku. It was one that I got from Amazon, and here's the installation kit. This comes with 2 microfiber cloths, some wet wipes, some stickers, and on the inside there's this plastic tool. Oh, I guess this is just like the squeegee to squish it in. And we got both parts of the screen protector, one for the top side and one for the bottom side, and the protector for the screen itself. And this also has this foam protector thing, and it already does have some dust, so let me just remove this with some wet wipes and some of these dust absorber stickers. All right, so now I can start with the whole process, and it's gonna start with that little tool, which is gonna be this thing right here. And this can just be stuck right at the bottom of the USB-C port. And now time for this. So part 1 can be removed, just like so. And then the bottom part can be aligned just like that. And it can slowly be placed here. And then it's time for that squeegee tool. So this could just be pushed right up, pushed right down. All right, that looks pretty good. So now 2 can just be lifted right up, just like that. And we're gonna remove that plastic film by just pushing upwards. And I'm trying to make sure to get all these edges as well. And then flip the phone over. And then same thing as before. So lift this part from the tab, lift it up, and then squeegee right through. And this little plastic film can be removed. All right, now that plastic piece can be taken right off. And now it's time to take this off. So grab one of those stickers from here, this guide sticker, put it around the corner, and we could lift this protective film off. And this is put on really well that I can't even tell there's a screen protector on there, but it is there. I could see like the edges of it. And normally, I mean, you could squeegee this more, but it looks like everything is good. Wow, I did a really good job on that. Nice. And then let's see how this folds up. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Okay, well, that's the first part done, and now time for the second part. And it's gonna be for this top part. So because this is a new phone, it does have this protective film that I gotta remove first. And then because this is already new and clean, I'm not gonna clean it, so I could just put this right on top. And I'll use that squeegee tool. And there, that's how to put on the screen protector on the Samsung Z Flip 7. All right, so now it's time for the case for this, and I got this one by Macavo, so let's check it out. And here's the piece it comes with. We got the bottom shell, which also does have that MagSafe. We got the top shell, which also does have a protective film on it, and there's also some wet wipes. So this is gonna be pretty easy to put on. I'll start with the bottom side, and I gotta remove this sticker first. This can sort of just slide right in place. And that feels very tight and secure. And now time for the top part. And this already does have that screen protector I put on earlier, so this might be a little bit redundant because this also has a plastic on it, but let's see if it makes a difference. I'll just take that little flimsy thing off and stick it right on it. And then there's one more piece on the back. Oh, and then one right here in the middle. And yeah, no, seems fine. It doesn't look like it interrupted it at all. And that's what it looks like with the case. So now let's actually check this on and go through the setup process. Ah, there it is. All right, Samsung Galaxy. Ooh, and there it is. We got the welcome screen going on, so let's start that. All right, I'll just agree to the Samsung terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and sending diagnostic data. Sure, why not? All right, sign in automatically and copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep your phone or tablet nearby and unlocked. So in this case, I am switching from this iPhone to this, but this iPhone doesn't really have much on it, so I'm just going to set it up as a new device. So I'll go with that setup manually. And let me put my Wi-Fi password. All right, so connect to a mobile network, choose an option below or insert SIM card. So I have a SIM card on the other phone, so let me just get that. And this is a Mint Mobile one. All right, so the SIM card's inside and it can be inserted back just like so. All right, perfect. It's all good. Your device will restart and configure features supported by the new SIM. So restart and switch. And in the meantime, I'll actually put on that top part of the case again. Oh, it actually looks like that screen protector came off. So I guess two protectors can't be put on at the same time. So since I do have this screen, since I do have this case, I'm just going to use this instead, and I guess I'll get rid of this. All right, so that's good to know. So if you do get this phone and you get this case, make sure to not put that screen protector on this part at least. All right, and there, and I can start everything again. Oh, I guess I got to redo everything. Set up manually. Let's see if the Wi-Fi was saved on this. Oh, yep, connected. Sweet. All right, so I'm just going to skip all this, so don't copy. And let me sign into my Google account. All right, I got everything good, so sign in. I agree. So I'll put a PIN. So I'll just do something quick now. All right, PIN set as lock screen. Yep, next. Now I can start with my face recognition. So let me register this. All right, sweet, it's registered. And I'll keep all that on, so continue. Yeah, I'll use location more. I'll just keep all that up and accept. I'm not gonna back it up for now. All right, meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. All right, so yeah, I wanna turn this on, so I'll go to more, continue. All right, so turn on. All right, I'll sign in with Google. All right, so yeah, just these two. All right, so I'll register the phone number. All right, sweet, my account is created with that. And I'll do next, and I'll skip Samsung Wallet. All right, I guess I'll leave all that on. And I like dark mode. Next. And now I can finally go home, and I think, yes, finally, okay, the setup's finally complete. Ooh, and I got a message over here.